What is good, Dudge Nation? Peace, love, and light family. As always, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dudley, aka Dudley Duds. And in this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the top 5 sugar alternatives. Now, traditional sugar, white sugar, is extremely processed. It's extremely foreign to the body, and it's harsh on our stomachs, it's harsh on our body. And many studies have shown that processed sugar can actually lead to brittle bones, amongst other chronic illnesses, okay? So in this video, all of these 5 sugar alternatives are gluten-free. They're not processed at all. They come from Mother Gaia, Mother Nature, right? And your body's actually gonna recognize it. And all of these have a low glycemic index, okay? So you don't have to worry about spiking your blood sugar. That's the beauty of eating from source, all right? With that being said, man, make sure to hit the like button, all right? And if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe, all right? And you'll get notified when I upload. So, number 1 on the list of the top 5 sugar alternatives are dates. Now, dates have a lot of health benefits, such as magnesium and potassium. And fun fact, dates actually have more potassium than bananas. I love using dates, and I blend them whenever I'm trying to make a sweet and sour sauce, or I need to sweeten up a smoothie, or just put something that's sweet in either my cannabis cookies or something like that. Dates have a lot of health benefits, all right? Dates actually have a little bit of protein, believe it or not. Dates are the sweetest fruit on the planet, some might argue, all right? And you're also gonna get fiber. So one commonality that you're gonna notice with all of these on this list is that all of these sweeteners actually bring value to your body, all right? They bring you nutrition as opposed to conventional white and bleached sugar. All right, so that's number 1 on the list of the top 5 sugar alternatives. Make sure to look into dates. Make sure to incorporate some dates into your life and recipes. It'll make a huge difference. Moving on to number 2, man. What is the second sugar / sweetener alternative? Number 2 on the list is 100% raw unfiltered honey. Now, honey is actually medicinal as well. Did you know that? Honey contains electrolytes and essential amino acids, so it can be used as a medicine, and it's definitely going to give you energy. Now, besides that, honey is a natural and a healthy sweetener that's been used for thousands of years. You can add it to your tea, your milk, or your cookie recipes, such as I do, all right? Honey is a great natural sweetener that your body is gonna recognize. Way better than conventional syrup, such as corn syrup or high fructose corn syrup, which actually studies have shown makes you lose memory. So if you are consuming high fructose corn syrup, you definitely wanna get that out of your body. That also spikes your insulin and tricks your body into not knowing when enough food is enough, similar to MSG. Fun fact, all right? So honey is another great natural alternative sweetener. Moving into number 3, man, what is the third natural, healthy sugar / sweetener alternative? The third on this list, man, is agave nectar. Now, this one is very controversial. There's a lot of arguments going on about this. I personally use agave nectar. I use it on my pancakes. I use it to sweeten up my smoothies sometimes. And agave has some great benefits. Agave actually helps you absorb calcium better. And it has a low glycemic index, so you're not going to spike your blood sugar. You definitely want to look into using agave nectar. I would say use this one sparingly. I use it sometimes, not all the time. But for all of you people that follow Dr. Sebi's teachings, this was also approved on his list as well. Dr. Sebi was a very famous and renowned natural herbalist that cured many diseases. They took him to trial back in the 80s because he claimed to have healed HIV/AIDS patients, and 77 of them came to court to testify, and he was actually acquitted, you know what I mean? Like, he won the case. So definitely look into agave nectar. I have this in my kitchen and I utilize it often, but I like to use my sweeteners interchangeably and kind of switch things up every now and again, all right? Number 4 on this list is raw 100% unfiltered maple syrup. Now, as you guys know, Vermont has some of the best maple syrup. I like to get mine from there personally, but if you can't get it from there, wherever you are in the world, just make sure to utilize 100% raw maple syrup. Now, maple syrup has a bit more of an earthier taste, but it's very sweet, and it's natural sugar. The common misconception between fruit sugar and conventional processed sugar is that it's the same. It's not. You see, sugar that comes from nature is going to have fiber and vitamins and minerals that your body is going to be able to utilize and extract from. Conventional sugar is bleached and it has nothing in it. All right, so I definitely recommend that you guys look into using some 100% raw maple syrup. I like to use this on my pancakes. I sweeten up my smoothies. I like to make some General Tao sauce with this. I'll use this as the base with a various amount of other spices and herbs, and makes a great sweet chili sauce without the MSG or without the cornstarch to fill. It's a great alternative, right? So that's number 4 on the list. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure to hit the like button on this video and tell me if you want to see me making a part 2. Number 5 of the top 5, the 5th healthy sugar alternative, man. Let's get into it. The 5th sugar alternative on this list, man, this one actually might shock you, is monk fruit. Okay, monk fruit has grown increasingly in popularity in the past, but it's been cultivated and used for thousands of years. A lot of it comes from China. Okay, now out of all of these on the list, this is the one that tastes the most like sugar. This comes very close to sugar in terms of taste, all right? But it is a fruit, it is healthy, and it has a low glycemic index, okay? So once again, you don't have to worry about spiking your blood sugar, all right? Monk fruit is a great sweet fruit that makes a great sugar alternative. You can get it in crystallized form, or you can just get the fruit and blend it and make a sweet and sour sauce, or you can just use it to bake your cookies. There's a lot that you can do with monk fruit, but monk fruit is I'll say one of the best sugar alternatives, pound for pound. There's not a lot of things that are really going toe to toe with this, you feel me? Monk fruit extract is very good, all right, and it's a great sugar alternative. So guys, that's it for this list. If you like this video, make sure to comment down below and share your thoughts. Let me know if you want me to do a part 2, or let me know if you want me to make a video about something else that you might have some interest in. Make sure to hit that like button, all right? Smash that notification bell if you've already subscribed, so you get notified when I upload, all right? And if you are looking for a personalized meal plan or a training program, you can go to my website, dudleyduds.com, where I offer personalized meal plans, and I offer omnivore, pescatarian, and vegan meal plans, okay? This is what I do, baby. So until then, I love you guys sincerely. Peace, love, and light, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.